What's going on, everybody? Bones here with cajunrnewbbq. Hope you're doing fine. I'm doing all right myself. So today, we're going to do up a full packer brisket. I've never had the time really to devote to doing a full packer brisket the long way, which is the 225, the 250, just the low and slow, let it go. Just due to kind of health reasons, my back wasn't feeling right that day, so I would try to do the fast cook, and just those really didn't turn out right. So today my back's kind of feeling great, so we're going to try to do it the low and slow. So let's see how it turns out. First things first, I've already wiped it down. Next, we're going to go ahead and start removing off some of this hard fat. Now that I'm done with the trimming, I'm going to go ahead and use some Butcher's Barbecue Prime Beef Brisket Injection. I'm going to use all the help I can get. Now that I've injected the brisket, I'm going to go ahead now and hit it up with that Uncle C's smoke bomb. It's got paprika, smoked black pepper, nice smoky flavor to it. Salt, pepper, garlic. Going to be a nice addition to this brisket. Next, we're going to go ahead and hit it up with that Uncle Steve's Competition Cow Powder. Do the other side. Now we're going to lay this on the smoker, fat side up. Let that fat render down into the rest of the meat. We're going to cook it low and slow at 225 to 250 degrees. Oh yeah, we looking real good. I'm gonna go ahead and take this brisket off of here. Go ahead and wet it down with some more of this beef broth. Put that underside. Go ahead and put a little bit of that smoke bomb back on top. Some more of that cow powder. There we go. Gonna go ahead and put it back on the smoker now and let it coast till it gets up to 205 degrees. Time to go ahead now and see what we got. Oh, it smells so good. Ooh, it's still so hot. Here we go. Started this at 6 o'clock in the morning. It's now 7 o'clock at night. Let's cut into it and see what we got. Oh, look at that juice is just rolling out of there. Ooh, that's so hot still. Ooh. Maybe this thing needed a 3-hour rest instead of 2. Pulls apart like butter. Here we go. Flavor is just off the charts. Mixture of that oak wood with the smoke bomb and the competition cow powder, just heavenly. My back's killing me. Been at this for all day, but well worth it. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, subscribe, comment below. Thank you. Have a good day.